Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust your printer properties on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon. It appears as a little magnifying glass, and you want to search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to category view, and then underneath hardware and sound, go ahead and just left click on that. Select where it says devices and printers, and now right click on the printer that you want to adjust, and you will select printer properties. And at this point, depending on your printer, you'll have different options here, and you can select the change properties button, and then you actually be able to go ahead and modify stuff. So again, depending on the printer, you'll have more options in here. And you can also right click on the printer too. Instead of selecting printer properties, you can also select printing preferences, which sometimes can be mistaken one for the other, but pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.